How to transfer funds from Scotia Bank to another bank. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to transfer funds from Scotia Bank to another bank. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Scotia Bank application on your device. You can easily download the application from your App Store or your Play Store. Now go ahead and log yourself in by entering your login credentials, that is, your user ID and your password. Once logged in, you will be led to the home page of Scotia Bank, and now to transfer funds from Scotia Bank to another bank, firstly tap on the Funds Transfer option. Now further, tap on the account that you would like to transfer funds to. Next, tap on the third-party transfer link listed under the accounts in the Transfer To tab, and now select the recipient. If the recipient has not been added yet, then select the Add Recipient option. Now enter the transfer amount and further tap on Continue and review the details that you entered. Finally, tap on the Confirm button, and with this, the funds will be transferred. So, this is how you can transfer funds from Scotia Bank to another bank. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.